Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Google Chrome settings step by step. The settings page lets you customize your browser, manage your privacy, change your appearance, and adjust many other Chrome features. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser window. A drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, click Settings. Chrome will immediately open the Settings page in a new tab. On the left-hand side, you'll see different categories such as You and Google, Autofill and Passwords, Privacy and Security, Appearance, Search Engine, and System. Click any category to view and change its settings. You can also use the search box at the top of the settings page to quickly find a specific option. Another way to open Chrome settings is by typing Chrome://settings into the address bar and pressing Enter. This will take you directly to the settings page. And that's it. You've successfully opened Google Chrome settings. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tutorials, browser tips, and productivity guides. See you in the next one.